guys, I'm pretty excited. I just received in the mail today this guy right here. It is the Canvas men's motorcycle vest. It's the Fairfax V2 from First Manufacturing Company. So I'm pretty excited about it. I have not tried it out yet. So what I'm giving you is I'm just telling you about it. And then what I'll do is I will do a 6-month review. Right now it's June. So I'll let you guys know how it is through the summer months and 6 months from now. You know, and as we're going into fall and winter, I'll let you guys know how this vest works out. But per usual with First Manufacturing Company, it has the YKK zipper. Looks like we have 2, 4, 5 buttons. A concealed pocket right here with 2 buttons. I like how this flap right here, it covers up the zipper. So one of the main reasons that I purchased this vest, I was looking at all of them and I was trying to figure out which one that I wanted. It has this zipper pocket right here with 4 utility pockets on this side. I'll give you a close-up of that. And then the same thing over here, 4 utility pockets over here. They can be hidden, concealed. The zipper's concealed, so once you put that inside of there, you really can't even tell that there's a zipper there. So 8 pockets in total. The chest, the button pockets on the chest. Inside, concealed pocket right here. It has a little holder right here to put stuff in or something specific. One of the things that I didn't know is right here you have this zipper that goes all the way across to here, and it's called the, right here, it's called the Easy Access feature for patching everywhere. So basically if you wanted to embroider the vest or put a patch on the back of the vest, you're not going to have to sew into this liner right here. One of the things that I think is cool in this chest pocket, I have the Galaxy S10. Fits right down inside of there, and then you can snap it. Also, these snaps are pretty solid too. It takes a little bit to get them snapped, and you have to give them a little bit of pull. So this is my initial impression. That's what we'll call this, the initial impression of this First Manufacturing Canvas Fairfax V2 men's motorcycle vest. Let me let you see how it looks from the side. Let me zip it up. Oh, so my chest size is a 43. I'm 5'10", 190 pounds. That'll kind of give you an idea. I've got wide shoulders. So, looky here. This way it looks from the side. The back of it. This side. Feels pretty solid, man. It's pretty stiff. Take this foam out of here. You guys tell me what you think in the comments. Have you had this? You know, I've had a lot of, I own one First Manufacturing leather jacket. I did a review on it. It's the hipster jacket, and I like it. I've had a good experience with them. Their customer service is amazing. Just calling those guys. Even sending them a message through Instagram, they responded just like that. So I can't wait to give you guys a full review on this jacket. So there you have it. Hey guys, if you like this content, hit that like button. If you'd like to become a part of the OMG Nation so you do not miss future uploads and activities, click that subscribe button. As usual, life doesn't make you happy, happiness makes your life. Thanks for watching, everyone. Easy buttons. One of my neighbors just drove past my garage and did like this. What's up, guys? What are y'all doing?
What are you doing?
I'm just filming. Y'all want to come say hi to everyone? Yeah?
I'm into trying on jackets and shit.
Yeah? Yeah, for my channel. Canvas men's motorcycle vest. Also, click the subscribe button if you want to be caught. Why can't I speak today? Click the subscribe button if you would like to become a... I'm going to leave this in here because it's so ridiculous. Click the subscribe button if you would like to become a part of the OMG Nation. That's all I was trying to say. I've said it a million times.
Look, I've got...
Oh, stall.